Hi, I'm Matt, and I work for a large healthcare provider in Western Pennsylvania. I am a system administrator, and my team and I are responsible for the entire life cycle of large power servers. Our primary users are healthcare providers, and the job that we do ensures uptime and availability for the systems and applications that they use that primarily are used to treat patients. I've actually been a sponsor user a couple times. This was just my first sponsor user opportunity.
I'm Eleanor, a lead researcher and enterprise design thinking coach. My favorite part of my job is getting to work every day with our sponsor users. So when I joined my team, we'd already been given this business problem. They called it a one-click update for system administrators. Basically what it means is, you know how you and I update apps on our phone with a single click or a single touch? It's the same idea, but for system administrators maintaining and updating their really important server software. So being the great design thinkers we set out to go validate this assumption. But to do that, we really needed a set of users to talk to and learn from and work with. Basically what we needed was a sponsor user program. So my team was lucky. We had literally an Excel spreadsheet that had a list of previous users and clients who had agreed to give us feedback on new projects we were doing. So I literally went down the line, cell by cell, and emailed these people, introduced myself, told them the project I was working on, and asked if they would be interested and available to provide feedback for me.
When I was first contacted by Eleanor about the possibility of being a sponsor user, I had honestly no idea what that was at the time, because sponsor user was a new term, a new role. I was very interested though as she explained what it would be and what it entailed, getting a first-hand look at a new product as it was being developed. That was an interesting idea because usually products are just, here they are, they're all done. I don't get any input into how our product is designed or developed.
So our ask of these sponsor users was to talk to us twice a month for about an hour and for about 6 to 9 months. The goal was really to better understand their domain, understand their workflow, what they did every day, what their problems were, but also to validate that assumption, that business problem of the one-click update.
She asked lots of pointed questions about what I did day to day, what my team did day to day.
So I had printed out all these quotes, color-coded them based on user or type of industry, and we mapped them all out. And watching my middle management and upper level stakeholders read these quotes out loud, you could almost see them transform the way they thought about not just our users, but this business problem and assumption that we had made.
The team was thinking that this product would provide, to some degree, one-click download and application of patches, but that's the easy part of the process. It's determining the need, what patches are required, and communicating that to the customers so that we could schedule the downtime, interdependencies with other technology teams in the organization. That was the hard part.
So my team ended up creating a web app, and it addressed those problems that we uncovered at the beginning of the user's experience versus the one-click update. The only way we were able to do this and solve our users' needs is through the process of research and through the sponsor user program. Without them and without co-creating and collaborating with our users, we never would have uncovered this insight.
It was interesting. It did feel good because I did get the impression, I did get the feeling that my input was actually going to contribute how this product ended up being.
We actually made something that they needed, and we totally changed the business direction of our projects. It was pretty cool.